interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
So I have a big announcement. Black Friday is coming up. You thought it was going to be another Pocket 3 video. And actually, yes, I'm using the Pocket 3 to film this and the mic with it because it's just that easy to pull out and start recording. But anyway, Black Friday is coming up and I wanted to keep you guys all informed with some of the great deals that are happening. But also, I have some big giveaways on this channel, like big prizes. So basically, I'm making this video to announce to you to stay tuned to this channel for the next few weeks. Make sure you watch the videos because in some of those videos, I will give clues on how you can win some of the giveaways. And typically, I'm just drawing from random comments on those videos, so you wanna make sure you leave a comment. And you know what, while you're at it, leave a comment on this video and let me know what you'd actually like to win on a giveaway. Try to be like in the realm of something that I could give away, and I'll pick one of your random comments on that Black Friday live stream, which I'm calling Danny Black Friday because yeah, Black is my last name. I might as well be able to use the play on word, right? But also huge important note, I will never reply to one of your comments saying that you've won, so make sure you do not fall for that. That's a scam. If someone's pretending to be me saying that you've won, that's the disclaimer. I'm off the hook now. And also you have to be watching live to claim your prize. So if I draw your name on the live stream and you're not there, you have like a minute to 2 minutes to respond, well, sorry, you're out of luck. Unless you are a channel member. And that's a huge perk for members because they don't have to be watching live. I will contact them directly if they have won. But also a membership perk is we do weekly live streams. You guys get to see a little bit behind the scenes. We look at your channels, all that kind of stuff. It's a great community there. But I will put more information down in the description, plus some more links and some discount codes and things like that. But there you have it. Stay tuned to the channel, watch the videos, and let's have some fun this holiday season. All right, see you next time. Bye.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No,